Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. There you have an exclusive Mountain Dew from Casey's General Store gas station. It's called OverDrive. It is, let me turn up the brightness. Let me focus this. It says, Mountain Dew with a blast of citrus punch flavor with other natural flavors. Needs to focus. There it goes. Pause to read the ingredient label. It's not the best. I was trying to flashlight on it because it's like blending in with the bottle, the soda color. Above the camera. We're going to open it. Tap the top so it doesn't explode. Let's give it a sniff test. Nice and yummy smelling. Let's give it a test of taste. That is a good soda. On the low side, I give it an 8.8, and on the high side, a 9.3. It is good. It's worth getting if you can get your hands on it. It's from Casey's gas station general store. It's Mountain Dew OverDrive. And knife in the video is the Alien Knives MIDI DX2 in 14C 28N blade steel. You can't see that. And it's a good knife. Check out Alien Knives on Instagram and YouTube. Owner is nice. Knives are great. Let me know what you think of the knife and the soda in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good, decent, collect what you like. Be safe. Look out for the guy, girl to your left. Look out for the guy, girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, yummy food, your music, and video games. Enjoy yummy drinks like this Mountain Dew OverDrive. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.